Hello everyone. In this section, we'll discuss about Java Development Kit (JDK). Here's the video question: what is JDK? Explain. It is for 6 marks. Java Development Kit. The JDK is a collection of tools that are used for development and runtime programs. As I already mentioned, JDK is used to compile the program. If you want to, if you have done any syntax error in the program, so JDK will make sure that will find out the errors that you have made, and it will be notified to the programmer so that he can make the correction. It consists of Java C, Java, Java Doc, Java H, JDB, Applet, Viewer, Viewer, and Java P. So Java C, the Java compiler, it's these are the commands. Okay, Java C, Java, Java Doc, Java H, JDP, Applet Viewer, and Java P are the commands that JDK belongs. Okay. The Java compiler, which translates the source code. First you'll start with Java, you'll start writing the program, Java program, that is what we call it as source code. And Java C command converts this source code to the bytecode form and stores it in a separate class file. So when you execute the Java program, so you'll be saving your source code, that is a program in .java extension, right? That is the extension for Java source code .java. And when you use Java C command, .java will be converted to .class file. So who will take care of converting that? Java C command will convert that .java to .class. That .class file contains bytecode. Java, the Java interpreter, which interprets the bytecode stored in the class file and executes the program to generate output. So the Java interpreter, as I already said, so Java command. So if you want to use Java command, you have to install JRE and JVM. And JVM, you already know, JVM is what it is, a interpreter. It acts as an interpreter. Means what? It checks each and every line of the program. So in order to use this Java command, you have to install JRE and JVM. If you install JRE, JVM will automatically get installed, correct? So the Java interpreter, which interprets, means what? Which checks each and every line of the program. Okay, so interprets the bytecode. Okay, interprets the bytecode in the class file and execute the program to generate output. So in order to check each and every line of the program, it will not, Java command will not understand high level language. It has to be converted to bytecode. So it interprets the bytecode stored in the class file and execute the program to generate output. Java doc is used for creating the HTML document for documentation from source code file. So it's not it's not mandatory to use this. If your programmer wants that everything to be documented, okay, so then we can go for Java doc command. Java H, it produces header files. Java H command produces header files for the use of native methods. So if, for example, in C language, we have seen so many header files, right? I was what is that stdio.h, conio.h, and in C++ we have used iostream.h. So why do we use that? In order to use inbuilt functions. So just like that, if you can make use of Java H command if you want to uh, use it as header files. Okay, so you will write a set of code inside in a program, and you can save it as .h extension, so that you can use that header file wherever you want, okay, in the program. So you have to be very careful, and you need to know the path where you have saved the program. So you have to copy that particular path in your program. So it's not so easiest, I think you'll not understand so easily. You need to know the path where you have saved the header file program. So you have to include that path. Either you can include that header file path, or you make sure that you'll place that header file in some particular folder which is inside program files, and in Java folder. So it's not so important now. However, you just need to understand Java H produces header files for the use of native methods. Okay, so JDB, the Java debugger, which helps to find the errors in the program. So it helps to find the error. So that's so simple. So for step-by-step execution we use Java debugger, which helps to find errors in the program. Yes. And so Apple T viewer, for it's used for executing Java applets. So when I start explaining Java applets, then you'll get to know the use of applet T viewer command. Okay, so the Java P command, Java disassembler, which helps in converting bytecode files into program description. So you just understand it. Later we'll discuss it in detail. Java P command. Okay, here Java disassembler, which helps in converting bytecode files into program description. Next, so here these are the steps to execute. It's like that includes execution process of application program. First, the user creates Java source code, as I said, in a text editor, or you can use Notepad. You can use Notepad, Notepad plus plus, or you can use Eclipse, whatever the editor you want. Okay, so and save it as, make sure that you'll save your file as .java. Okay, and then class name and Java file name should be same. Second point, the source code is compiled using Java C command. Okay, so you'll make use of Java C command in order to compile, check the syntax errors. Next, the Java doc tool can be used to create the HTML files that document the source program. So it depends on the programmer to whether to use Java doc file tool or not. So the on comparing the source program, a class file gets generated which consists of the bytecode. So on comparing the source program, a class file gets generated when you execute Java program, Java C command. So dot class file will generate. The developer may use Java H tool for generating the required header files. He may use, it's not mandatory. If he wants to use Java header files, he can use Java H tool. The class file produced by Java C can be interpreted using Java in order to produce an executable code. So the class file produced by Java C can be interpreted using Java command. Again, Java is a command, right? So Java uh, command is used to run the program, to execute the program. Okay, so Java command can be used only after generating the bytecodes, because Java command can understand only the bytecodes. It cannot understand high level language. Okay, that is Java source code. It cannot understand Java source code. So you have to use Java C command first, then use Java command. So next slides, in this next slides explains execution process of application program. So whatever we have explained, discussed till now, it is in diagram. Okay, it is in a block diagram. So text editor, first text editor, and in text editor we'll type Java source program, then Java C, Java class file will be generated. After that we use Java command. So then after that we use output. What is that? The final, after execute, once we use Java command, we'll get the final output. So in between we can use Java doc, Java H also. Okay, that is for Java doc is for documentation purpose. Java H is to create header files. JD base, what is that? It's a debugger. That is what to check the syntax. Okay, it's all about uh, JDK, that is Java Development Kit. So thank you so much. If hope you have understood the concept. So if you have any doubt, please comment below, and please subscribe to our channel Music Plus Education. So thank you so much. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.